the all-new Vapamore MR-100 Primo Steam Cleaning System. In this video, we will be covering what is included with the new generation Vapamore MR-100 Primo Steam Cleaning System. After unpacking the MR-100 Primo, you will see a wide array of tools and accessories. Included are the following: Primo Master Unit, Steam Gun and Hose, Floor Cleaning Head Assembly, 2 extension tubes, Accessory Storage Bag, Instructions Pack with Warranty Registration, a measuring cup, and shipped in the measuring cup, a fill funnel, along with a grout brush and a set of replacement O-rings. Opening the storage compartment reveals the other accessories and attachments, including the detail accessory adapter, small cotton cover, large nylon brush, small nylon brush, brass brush, scraper tool, detail jet nozzle, water level dipstick, and the smooth surface fabric tool. Now let's go over the all-new Primo floor cleaning head assembly. The triangle scrub brush is removed from the floor head by pressing the release and pulling the brush outward. Install the brush by pressing into the brush location and lock into place. The microfiber cover is held in place using the Velcro lock tabs attached to the microfiber cover. The carpet slider is used when sanitizing carpets or rugs. Snap the carpet slider onto the floor head assembly. Make sure the microfiber cover is in place. The floor head assembly used with extension poles has a standing lock position and can be stored in the Primo storage slot located on the side of the Primo Master Unit. Let's get started using the MR100 Primo Steam Cleaner. Begin by removing the water tank cap by pushing down on the cap and turning counterclockwise to remove. Always make sure the steamer is completely cooled down before removing the water tank cap. Place the funnel into the water tank opening. Fill to the desired level using the supplied measuring cup. See the filling and operation page of the included instruction book for water levels and working times. Make sure to use only distilled water in the tank. Using any additives or hard water will void the warranty. Use the included water level dipstick to check water levels before use and adjust the water level to the desired level. Replace the water tank cap by pushing down and turning clockwise until the cap is fully tightened down. Next, pull the power cord out to its full length. Never pull the power cord past the yellow mark located near the end of the cord. To retract the power cord back into the machine, push down on the cord retract pedal. After plugging in the steamer, turn the main power switch to the on position. You will see the red status light turn on, indicating the heater is now on. Depending on the water level, the green indicator light will turn on between 5 to 10 minutes, indicating the steamer is up to full temperature and ready for use. Note the green light will cycle on and off during use, as the heater cycles on and off to maintain steam temperature. Continue using the steamer as the light cycles on and off. The steam output pressure can be adjusted by turning the steam output pressure knob to the left and to the right to the desired output level. Let's take a moment to go over how to use the accessories and attachments. First, insert the steam hose into the port located on the front of the steamer by pushing securely into place. The 2 lock tabs will click into place when fully inserted. The steam gun has a child safety lock. By pushing this lock, the trigger is locked and cannot be operated. The extension poles and accessory tool are attached directly to the steam gun. To attach, push onto the steam gun to lock in place. The detail accessory adapter must be used with all brushes, the scraper tool, jet nozzle, and smooth surface fabric tool. To attach, push onto the accessory adapter and twist to lock in place. The detail accessory adapter can be used on its own or with the jet nozzle attachment for hard-to-reach areas, such as toilet seat hinges, bathroom or kitchen fixtures and faucets, or any small detail hard-to-reach spaces. These jet tips also work great for spot treatment or even cleaning jewelry. The Smooth Surface Fabric Tool has a dual purpose. As a squeegee, it can be used for sanitizing countertops or cleaning any smooth surfaces. Installing the supplied cotton cover converts it to a fabric steamer and sanitizer for use on furniture, sofas, bedding, and pillows. Another important use is for treating bed bug, dust mites, or allergens. See our bed bug video for details on using the MR100 Primo for bed bug treatment. The metal brush can be used on barbecue grills, ovens, stains on cement, or any place a strong metal brush can be used. The nylon brushes are used to remove dirt, grease, grime, and soap scum. These brushes can be used any place that requires light to medium scrubbing. The grout brush is designed with very short and stiff bristles and used specifically to remove dirt in grout lines found on floors, countertops, and showers. When using the brushes with the accessory adapter, make sure to use only light pressure and let the steam do the work. The scraper tool is great for removing stuck-on food or gum. Use the floor head with a microfiber cover to clean and sanitize smooth surface floors, such as tile, travertine, vinyl, or wood. To sanitize carpets and rugs, add the carpet slider to the floor head. This allows the floor head to slide across the surface easily. The floor head triangle brush is used for scrubbing stains on floors, walls, and cement. This tool is great for uneven or rough texture surfaces. A few notes when using the MR100 Primo. Never pull the machine by the steam hose or power cord. Always use distilled water only. Never use any chemicals inside the boiler. Always let the machine cool down completely before removing the cap to refill the boiler. Please feel free to call us with any questions or visit vapamore.com for tips and information.